morning class 4th. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to online video session. And you know which class is going? Yes, your class is 4th and this subject is going science. Very good my dear students. Now listen to me. As you know that we already completed keyword and in-text book exercises in live class session. So what we do next? As you know what we do next? Yes, you will tell that what we are going to do. Yes, now we are going to do book exercises. Now you are in chapter number 4 and we completed chapter number 4 with all the topic and with all the important points. And you know that what is chapter number 4? Chapter number 4 is reproduction in animal. And you know what is reproduction? Can you tell me, Taniska, what is reproduction? Yes, the ability to produce their young ones of their own kind. Very good student. I am very impressed with class 4 that you all are very attentive in live classes and in your homework time also. I am watching that each and every one student is just doing their work very good manner. They are just following all the instruction which is told by me, and you are doing your homework day by day. But some students are left that they are not doing their homework. Okay, so don't worry, just keep doing your homework on the time. I am here for you. If there is any query, just ask me. Okay students, so shall we start our today's session? Yes, and can you tell me how ma'am will start the session? Yes, correct Samarth, you are saying now. Ma'am, first we will do sentence of the day. After that, yes, after that we will do the book exercises. So, let's do sentence of the day. Is your sentence of the day. Every day do something that will inch you closer to a better tomorrow. Student, every day do something that will inch you closer to a better tomorrow. Okay class? Now from today, every day you will start learning and it will help you to got good marks in future. Okay student? Now you have to follow the sentence of the day in your life. So my dear students, shall we start our session with book exercises? Yes, what we are going to do today? As you know that today is 23rd July 2020 and we are going to do the book exercise of chapter number 4. So, first we will do, you have to just take out your book. You are having your book? Yes. Now, just open page number 38. Page number 3838. Where? Yes. Page number 38. There is a keywords and in-text book exercise. We already completed these things in our live session. I don't think there is any doubt right now. Okay, if there is any doubt, just ask me in next live session. Okay class. Now come to the page number 39. You have to open page number 39. In the page number 39, what is the? There is an exercise A, B, C, D. Okay. In A, question number A, what is question number A? Question number A is to take the correct answer. There is an option given to you. You have to just take the correct option. Okay. After that, we will do the match it. Okay. There is a two column A and column B, and you have to just write the correct answer of matching in the side with there is a solution A and B. Okay, after that we will do define it. Now one thing is very important, just listen very carefully that you have to do define it in your notebook. Okay class, you have to write question number C in your notebook. Okay, there is no confusion regarding this. What you have to do in book and what you have to do in notebook. You have to do in book exercises. But there is a question number C, that is define it, and you have to do it in notebook. Okay, now come to the next. There is question number D, that is name it. On page number 39, name it. So you have to do name it in your book. Okay, only you have to do define it in your notebook. Okay, now there is no confusion. Ma'am, where we have to write? Ma'am, what to do? Nothing? Very good. You have to just open your book, take your pencil and mark answer one by one. I am going to explain you one by one answer. Okay, just remember one thing, that question number C, where you have to do? Tell me, Mukunda, where we have to do question number C, that is define it. Yes, Mukunda, we have to do in your notebook. You are having your science notebook, na? Just do it in your notebook. Okay, so let's start our book exercises. So student, let's start. Take the correct option. This is take the correct option. Now, question number 1 is, our nymphs is the young ones of? Yes, grasshopper. You have to take grasshopper. Now, next is, the insect grow into adult mostly by molting. Mostly by molting. Done. Now, the next. The young ones of bird have no feather. You have seen that? I mark a tick mark on a correct answer. Okay, so you have to just tick mark. Now, fourth one. Which one of the following animal do not lay egg? And your answer is dolphin. Dolphin do not lay egg. It is a mammal, so it gave the birth of baby. Okay, now sixth one. When the young ones hatch out, they looks like the adult in? Your answer is grasshopper. So you have to take grasshopper. Okay, now which one of following animal give birth to young ones? So your answer is mammal. Mammal can give the birth of young ones. So you have to tick mark. Now I am giving you 1 minute time for writing this. So write it, student. In your book. You have to write it in your book. Now student, the second one, that is match it. You have to match column A with B. Okay, there is a living thing and here is a baby name. Okay, you have to tell me the baby names. Just like take an example, butterfly. The baby name of butterfly is pupa. Okay, so I have written here 1 and answer is E. Okay, now another is cockroach. And the baby name of cockroach is nymphs. So I have written here A. After that, frog. What is the baby name? Tadpole. So I have written here D. Next is dog. What is the baby name? Puppy. So I have written here B. Next is bird. And what is the baby name? Chick. So I have written here C. Okay, so you have to write this solution in your book. Okay class, so I am giving you time for writing. Now this is the next exercise, that is C, And student, listen very carefully that you have to write these 4, define it in your notebook. Okay, in your notebook. So number 1 is reproduction. Number 1 is reproduction. Now what is the definition of reproduction? The ability by which living beings produce the young ones of their own kind. Again I am repeating. The ability by which living beings produce the young ones of their own kind. Okay, now the next. Incubation. What is that? Incubation. What is the definition of incubation? Yes, a period in which eggs are kept warm by their mother or father bird till hatch. Till hatch. Okay, again I am repeating, a period in which eggs are kept warm by their mother or father bird till hatch. Okay, now come to the next, that is a mammals. Very simple. What is mammals? An animals that gives birth to their young ones and nourish them with the milk. Okay, now come to the next, that is nymphs. Young ones of an insect are resembling the parents. Okay, the insect which is resemble to their parents, that is nymphs. So I am giving you time for writing. So write it, student. Next one, that is name the following. Okay, so name the following. You have to name it. Okay, see in blue color I am giving the answer. Okay, student. So number one is young ones of an insect different from its parents. What is called? Larva. Larva is a totally different from butterfly. Yes, now you have seen in the life cycle of butterfly that larva is a look like worm, caterpillar. Yes, now larva and caterpillar are both are same, and that is totally different from the butterfly. Now next one is young one of frog, and you know very well what is the name of young one of frog? That is tadpole. Tadpole, tadpole. Now next is emerging of young one from a egg. How? Young one from a egg emerging. What is that? Hatching. Hatching is a process in which egg is converted into young ones. Done. Very good. Now next, what is reproduction? The process of producing young one. What is called? The process of producing young ones? Yes, that is reproduction. And your answer is reproduction. That is reproduction. Very easy in a class. So, today we will complete this book exercise up to D section. In next class we will go in question answer. Okay. So only up to here you have to complete your book. Okay. Only here. Not do the question answer. I am giving you time for writing. So class 4, this is your homework that you have to do chapter number 4 keyword and the exercise that is D, define it in your notebook. So this is your homework. So write down, this is your homework that you have to do keyword and exercise D, that is define it in your notebook. Okay student?